Good afternoon. Myself Sneha Mekwan, my teammate named Devanshi Shah, and we both are the MSc AI student. Now we present to you our project Recipe Recommendation Chatbot. In today's world, people struggling to decide what to cook based on their ingredient they have, diet preference, or their valuable time. This is where our chatbots come to problem in the current system that they lack existing recipe platform, lack personalization, and it make it difficulty for the user to find relevant recipe based on their ingredients and preference. Solution: an intelligent interactive chatbot is needed to deliver accurate user-centered recommendation with the better filter guidance and adaptability to improve to overall cooking experience. So on basis of that recipe recommendation systems chatbot that deliver personalization suggestion based on user input like the ingredient preference and meal requirement using advantages filtering and ranking technologies. It is combined NLP, TF, IDF, and dynamic metadata extraction, and the modern technologies like fast API with the response of front end to improve accuracy, effective, and the user-friendly recipe recommendations. The system is built in using Python with the fast API, backend with HTML, CSS, JavaScripts, and using NLP cosine similarity on the Kaggle dataset. Remaining part of the presentation will be covered by my
My
teammate.
name is Devanshi and I am going to explain you about the system architecture. So when users start interaction with our chatbot, the first thing it will ask to enter ingredients. Then it will ask about the meal type and then it will ask about the diet. Now, after doing that, it will matches the score with the help of cosine similarity and TF-IDF and it will look out the recipes which are best from our dataset and then it will send the top 5 recipes. Now, moving on to the project inputs and outputs. As you can see the screenshots which I have uploaded, the first thing the chatbot asks is ingredients. Then it will ask about the meal plan like breakfast, lunch or dinner. Then it will ask about vegetarian or non-vegetarian. And then it will ask about the servings. And then on the basis of all these features, it will suggest you the top recipes. Now, when you can select on particular recipe, it will show you the ingredient list and it includes what ingredients you required for this recipe and how much amount of ingredients you required for this recipe in detail, and then it will show you the cooking steps in detail in English. Now, coming to the conclusion. So, I have read two research papers and I came to know that as much as features our system includes, no other system includes. And that why it is more structured and interactive framework and it enables refined filtering and also improves user personalization and it will guide users step by step, which is very helpful for the user. And that's why it is finding the real-time solution for all the users who are confused in cooking in real time. Now, let us focus on the future goals of our recipe recommendation chatbot. So, we are planning to make voice based interaction, which is hands free for the user experience. Then, we are planning to implement nutritional analysis. Then, we are planning to improve the UI so that we will work more on mobile application. And then, we are planning to build proper AI and machine learning model for this recipe recommendation so it will help users in more efficient way and they can decide what they cook, what the recipes they want. Yeah, this is our recipe recommendation chatbot project. How much you rate this? Thank you.